Hello guys, this is JM from JM Hoopcast channel. So, itong video na to guys, gusto ko lang pag-usapan or gusto ko lang i-share yung prediction ko sa darating na Game 4 between Barangay Ginebra and Global Northport. So guys, for me, my personal choice, ang mananalo dito is Ginebra. Reason ko kung bakit guys, kasi from Game 1 to Game 3, nakita natin kung paano mag-dominate yung Ginebra in terms of defense and offense. And the good thing kasi dito guys, nala-lockdown nila si Arvin Tolentino, not totally lockdown guys. Okay? Yung ma-minimize mo lang yung points na nabibigay ni Arvin Tolentino sa team nila. Sobrang ano na yon, sobrang crucial yon, okay? So meaning, yung game plan ng Ginebra sobrang nag-i-effect dun sa laban nila sa Game 1 to Game 3. And sana, dito sa darating na Game 4, makikita pa rin natin kung ano yung dadagdag na adjustment ng Ginebra para matapos na tong series na to sa darating na Game 4. And in Northport naman, yung magiging keys to win nila, sana guys, or sana dito sa team ng Northport, sana mag-step up lahat ng player nila. Not only Arvin Tolentino, sana yung mga backup teammates ni Arvin Tolentino like William Navarro, like Pranyu, sana makapag-step up. And for me, kung kapag nanalo tong Northport na to, dito natin makikita kung ano yung ginawang adjustment ng Ginebra, and pwede nating malaman o isa-isahin kung bakit natalo yung Ginebra sa Game 4 na to. Again, this is JM from JM Hoopcast channel. My personal prediction, ang mananalo dito is Ginebra. So guys, please don't forget to like and share and subscribe my channel guys. Thank you. Salute.